Hey, everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to resize icons on your desktop screen. Whether you want them larger for better visibility, or smaller to fit more on your screen. These methods work on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Right-click menu. This is the easiest and fastest way to resize your desktop icons. Go to your desktop and right-click on any empty space. Hover your cursor over View. You'll see 3 options: O large icons, O medium icons, default, O small icons. Just click the size you prefer, and your desktop icons will instantly adjust. Method 2. Use the Ctrl plus scroll shortcut. Want more control over the icon size? Try this. 1. Click anywhere on the desktop, but don't select any icons. Hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. While holding Ctrl, scroll your mouse wheel up or down. Scroll up to make icons bigger. Scroll down to make them smaller. This method lets you fine-tune the size beyond just the 3 preset options. Method 3. Change display scaling in settings. If changing icon size isn't enough, you can adjust overall display scaling, which also affects icon size. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down to the Scale section. Beside Scale, choose a value like 100%, 125%, or 150%. This changes the size of everything, including icons, text, and apps, not just the desktop. And there you go. 3 easy ways to resize desktop icons to fit your needs, whether you're going for a minimal look or making your screen easier to see. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.